So I just passed a little roadkill deer. I didn't see it this morning, so it's probably reasonably fresh. I'm gonna go take a look. You can come with me. That's about it. Alright, in case you're curious, this is what you want to look out for. See that vacant cloudiness in the eyes? That ain't good. See that distended coat? That ain't good. That's sign of a started decomp. I mean, it was pretty warm today. I suppose this could have been here this morning and I just didn't see it. But yeah, I can smell it from here. Shame I don't want to leave it there, but I'm not looking for my phone. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, man, that's a shame. Best bet you'd want to see them either get hit or, still clinging to life when you come upon it, or, you can still see, the eyes look normal. If I was starving, and I mean really starving, I might consider trying to cut the back straps out of it. But I don't know that that would be advisable. So, don't listen to me. Yeah, that's about it.